Let's see. Okay. Yep. So I'm live now. Yep. So everyone, let me share back again.
Hi everyone, good evening. Can you hear me loud and clear? Let me know in someone in the chat. Yes, no. Let me see whether I'm live at every platform or not. Yes, LinkedIn also I'm live. Okay, great. Okay, good evening everyone. Welcome back again to Analytics with Anand. So today there's a lot of things which I'm gonna discuss uh, in the era of data analytics, what we gonna do further down the line. So hello everyone, myself Ananja, those who don't know me. So I hold around 8+ years of experience in multiple verticals. I have got good experience right from the software engineer way back. I started my career in 2014 after completing my bachelor's in electronics and communication. 2020, I completed my postgraduate course in data science from Purdue University. And 2024, I completed my master's from BITS Pilani in data science and engineering. Right? That's it is about me. So why we are here? That's the most important question. Now, if you are watching me live from any part of the country, if you are a graduate, if you are struggling in your career, if you don't know the roadmap where to proceed further from here, I'm here to help you all. I'm not here to sell you any courses. Don't worry for that. Right? I'm just here to mentor you in the right direction so that those who are struggling with the job in the current domain, which is the current market, which is open for you all. That's the most important thing which you need to understand it. Okay? Right? That's the most important thing which you need to understand it. So this is open to all the graduates. This is open to all the folks, those who are in the college, whether you are in BSc, BCom, MCom, graduate, hotel management, interior designing, anything irrespective of that. Hear me very loud and clear, and whatever I'm going to discuss in the next 1 hour down the line, this is very, very important from you. Any institute in the world won't tell you what exactly is this field which I'm going to talk about and why we are here. So hear me out very, very clearly. Right? Anytime, any doubt if you have my email ID, which is there on the screen. You have my phone number everywhere on LinkedIn, YouTube. You can find me everywhere. Right? Feel free to reach out to me. There's no salesperson who will be interacting with you directly. You have one-on-one connection with me. Right? So why we are here? We are here to launch the new batch of data analytics using cloud and AI. You might be wondering what is version 3.0 now. This is the third batch. Second batch we kick-started last year, 15th August 2024. Prior to that, one batch was there. 2023 was the version 1. Now today we'll discuss all the job guarantee program which I'm bringing you live. That too, you see the logo, 100% job guarantee. How does it work? Whether job guarantee is a myth or it's a scam. Let's deep down everything and how big tech giants are luring money just to extract just to enroll you into this course, and you feel a trap of all of this. Understand the syllabus, understand the course, and understand the tenure. This is the most important thing. Right? Those who are watching me live, hear me out. And any doubt, if you have anywhere down the line, feel free to go ahead and shoot your question in the chat. I'm live on LinkedIn, I'm live on YouTube, I'm live also on Facebook. Right? So let's get started. So those who are struggling in your career, if you are a graduate, or if you are about to graduate, and if you don't know where you lead to your path, whether you are working for civil service, whether you are working for railway exam, any government exam, if you are working, if you are not able to crack it, don't worry. In the current 21st century, only one career is there which is top of the notch, which is none other than data analytics. Trust me, this is the career any people in the world coming from any background. If you have a graduate, if you have a 60% mark, this is more than enough for me, right? All I need is your hungerness to learn and dedication. Now, coming back to any course, any job guarantee program, any data analytics, this is not a cakewalk which some other companies or XYZ institute so called. They say master Power BI in 3 months, master data analytics 2 months. No, it may not happen. It's a rigorous, exhaustive course which will take you 1 year down the line. Which will take you 1 year down the line. 8 months is the entire course, right? 8 months is the entire code, and then the next 6 months is your period starts where I will get you placed, right? So this is an entire 1 year process. Even in order to, for myself, when I was struggling 2017, when I resigned from the job, I was having 2 years career gap, right? So it took me 2 years down the line. 2019, I got the first job after that, even though I was a software engineer background. Imagine. So you need a patience. The current Gen Z, which we saw, you guys lack patience, right? Miracle won't happen in 1 day. You cannot become data analytics. You cannot become data engineer. You cannot become data scientist in just 3 to 4 months time. No, it's impossible. I'll tell you why. Let's talk with facts. Don't trust my words also. Let's talk with facts. I will display you the screen. I will show you the syllabus, why it is required, why this is an exhaustive 8-month course, and why it takes 1 year down the line. Then the next question which comes into your mind, sir, if I do this course, I'll have 1 year career gap in my resume. Don't worry, I'm there to help you out. That's my responsibility. You won't be having any career gap, right? Even if you are a graduate in the last year, even if you are unemployed from the last 2 years, I'm there to help you out. Don't worry. If you enroll in any of my job guarantee program, which we're going to discuss in today's session, you will have experience letter, you will have everything. I will explain you in and out. So don't worry on that part. Okay. So don't worry on that part. Right? So how this job guarantee program works, let's talk about the big picture. Any company, any XYZ institute, if they claim to job guarantee program, how does it work? The most important thing, they should ideally be having a contract with a company. The first important thing, they should be having a contract with a company. That's one reason. I will show you the real contract which I have. Right? Straight away. I am not here to lie anything. I will show you the real contract which I had it. Okay, the number one thing. Second most important thing you should be having it. You should be having contact with all the leading consultants in India or abroad. If I'm targeting for abroad, that is the second most important point. First one, you should be having contact with company. Second one, you should be having contact with your consultant. Third one, you should be having a very good social profile. The person who is delivering this data analytics or data science or data engineering, he or she should be well versed in that course. At least he should be having a social profile, good number of LinkedIn follower, good number of YouTube follower. I have 12,000 LinkedIn follower. I have 28,000 on my YouTube channel, which you might have seen it, right? I have multiple contacts. You'll soon find many people will be joining this session, and they'll be talking more about it, how I got placed them. Recently, a person, I think Sarang will be joining us. I got him placed in Zepto. Right, with a very good package, a very, very good package. He was having some 1.5 year career gap. I gave him the experience letter, everything, and it worked like a charm. All this is my headache. Your headache is only to study with consistency every day, 2 hours down the line. If you cannot give 2 hours every day, don't enroll in any of my course. You won't be able to become a proficient data analytics. Right? Because this is a very, very exhaustive course. Trust me, people start with a full-fledged energy, then down the line, collapse. Done. Right? So you have to be consistent every day, minimum 2 hours. Even if you are not able to map 2 hours, at least 1.5 hours or 1 hour. In spite, if you are working any banking job or any XYZ job, you are doing it. In spite of that, you have to do this 2 hours, because there's a lot of assignment, lot of studies which we wanna drill down the line and come out of this just with SQL, Python and Power BI, you will get a job. No, nobody cares. Everyone, even the 8th to 10th grader knows Power BI these days. Power BI has just become a drawing class these days. I'll tell you clearly, I'm telling you, Power BI has become just a drawing class. Get the data, get the figure, feed it, write some DAX and done. No, that's not how it's going to happen. Company will look for multiple skill set. I see syllabus of XYZ Institute, I won't name it. They just teach Excel, they just teach SQL, Python, Power BI, done. No ETL tool, no Snowflake. You cannot imagine a job in the current era without Snowflake. You cannot imagine a job without Python. You cannot imagine a job without AI. You cannot imagine a job without inexhaustive ETL tool, be it Alteryx, Matillion, DBT, or Fivetran, right? So whichever institute you are taking any course, don't take my course. I'm not here to, again, I'm telling you, I'm not here to sell any of my course. If you are taking any course, first of all, ask that course people. Do not talk to salespeople. Salespeople are meant for nothing. They are just here for to fill their pocket. They will get 10% commission, and any time down the line, nobody would have got any call from Analytics with Anand down to the result if any person apart from me have given you a call. So far till date. Open challenge, I'm telling you to all of you, those who are in me. Have you got any call from Analytics with Anand asking for selling of any course apart from myself itself? I only call people, right? I only call people, I only guide them, because sales people are not here to guide you. They cannot guide. They'll just sell the course and they'll vanish away. That's what happened in the big tech giants. I don't want to name them. They'll sell the course and they'll wrap up in a day night. Where you'll struggle, your money is stuck. 1.5 lakhs of fee, 2 lakh of fee, 3 lakh of fees you pay, and at the end result, what you get? Nothing. Nothing, right? Trust me, I was a trainer in all the top e-tech learning company. You name XYZ, I have trained people there. Their syllabus sucks literally to the core. That is not as much. Why do you think IT graduates are not getting placed? 90%, 88.7% is the attrition rate. Why they are not getting placed? Because just with SQL, Python, and Power BI, they won't be able to survive in the industry. It's not possible. Even yesterday, I was seeing E&Y, Understand Young. Just for the internship, they need an ETL tool, they need AWS, they need SQL, they need Python, they need Power BI. Imagine the kind of tool which you need. And only here at Analytics with Anand, I will train you in all those techniques. Right? Majority of people, just by learning Snowflake and Matillion, they have got 35 lakh CTC, 42 lakh CTC. Because here, anything which is being taught, we teach in complete in-depth. सिर्फ ऊपर नॉलेज नहीं, पूरा अंदर जाके, तभी 8 महीने लगते हैं. इट्स नॉट अ जोक. 2-3 मंथ में अगर कोई तुमको पावर बीआई बना दे रहा है 2000-3000 में, जाओ 2000 दे दो. Go ahead, pay 2000-3000 rupees. You get that quality. My fees is the most affordable in the entire world, I would say. Why? I will tell you. Any job guarantee program, XYZ, top 3 company, you know, you might have got hint out. XYZ company, minimum fees 1.5 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh of rupees. That too, there's no job guarantee. And that too, your money won't be refundable. What you will do? Whom you will contact? Salesperson. Salesperson will say, Tata, bye bye. They won't lift your call. Then my course is only just 40,000 rupees. And if you enroll till midnight, you can get it in 36,000. I will teach you. I will mentor you. I will give you experience letter. I will give you everything. And if I am not able to get you placed after 8 months, of course, there's just 6 months. That take your 20,000 rupees. Only 15,000 I will keep it. Who will give you this much? I will train you. I will reform your resume. I will reform your LinkedIn profile. I will give you experience. I will give you letter. Everything I'll give you. I will teach you. Then I will refund back your money also if you don't get job. Where you will get that trust. That's why you see the batch to V2 and V1 successful. You might have this question, how many people got placed in V2? It's still in the process because it's just 8 months have been passed. Imagine 15th August for the first batch, second batch 26th January, and this is the third batch. So it's still ongoing, right? 10 people already got placed. I'll show you everything. I'll show you how many people are there in the job guarantee program. The last batch, 70 people. How many got placed? Everything I'll show you. Complete honesty so that you have that trust. Entire Analytics with Anand have bought on the trust process itself. And I'm running it from the last 2 years. There's no salesperson. You will never find any salesperson here down the line. Even in the future, if we scale, you will definitely get one call from my side. That's my guarantee till the time I am alive. Right? Anytime you feel free to call, I am available 24/7. Did any of your faculties available 24/7? You call me 2 o'clock midnight, you call me 3 o'clock in the morning, you call me 4 o'clock, I will pick up your call. 24/7 I'm available for you, right? So that's how this entire course works. Let me take down now completely into the course walkthrough. Before course walkthrough, I have one student. Let me add her. She will talk about how the job guarantee program helped her. Let's hear from her voice. We have Risti here, right? She's an amazing student, fantastic student. I think she has done a commendable job so far in her last company. Let's hear it out from her voice directly. And if you have any doubt, feel free to reach out. You can reach out to any of my student any time down the line. You can call them, ask the review, anything if you have any issues. Drishti, can you turn on your mic and you turn on your camera, please? Yeah. Let's hear you out. Hello.
Hi, sir. Hello.
Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay, just a second.
Can you turn? Yes.
Yeah. Hi, sir.
I can just give me okay. Yeah. I think you have to mute the background. Yes, you are.
Fine.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So guys, we have Drishti down the line. So she was a part of the program, and the last, I think she's doing a fantabulous job. So anytime, even if you want to speak to her, feel free to contact her. Right? Feel free
Yes.
to contact her. Yeah, over to you, Drishti. Whatever you want to convey the message to the user, those who are watching you live, just feel free to speak.
Okay. So I want to tell you all
Go ahead.
that I am Drishti, basically based in Jaipur. And Jaipur is, you guys know that it's a non-tech company. We don't have any technical jobs here. And to be very honest, I'm from a non-technical background. I was in a commerce field. I had hotel management with
Yeah.
myself. So I was like being completely blank. I legit joined, sir. I am with Anand sir from last 3 years now, right, sir? Yes. It's been
Yeah, almost 3
now.
years. Mhm.
So I'm still with him. I'm learning all the courses. I'm learning all the tools, be it anything. I still used to take all the classes, everything. And now that I have landed a good job, I switched my technical thing into business analytics. So I'm doing IT business analytics. So it's the same thing which we do in data analytics. It's the same thing as a business analytics, and you can do like a good, like, if you will study now, then you'll do anything. Just trust the process, trust Anand, like what Anand sir is saying, just trust the whole thing, and you will get a really good job. Matlab, I can take guarantee ki job lag jayegi. It's not that tough. If you have a sort of trust, a belief of what you are doing, like what you are studying at Anand sir, your mentor, then it's a very easy thing for you all. It's just that you have to trust. You have to trust the process.
Mhm.
Trust what he is saying. Trust, like, learn every tool, be it SQL, Python, ETL tool, Metallion, everything. It will definitely land you a good job. Matlab, I'm still undergraduate, right?
Mhm.
I'm in my BBA. I'm still undergraduate, but still I am doing a job in IT segment. That is a really good big thing, of course, because even IT people are not getting placed in this era. But I, being an undergraduate, being from a non-technical background, when I have learned everything, then I don't think there is any loophole, or if be it like whether if you are having an non-IT background, anything, which city you belong to, doesn't matter. If you study, if you know all these things which are really, really, really required for you, then you can grab any job, be it any company. You can do your best. Just stay focused and do whatever Anand sir says. That's it.
Actually, I have one question for you. How much patience is required in order to do this course?
A lot.
Yeah.
A lot. Like, patience is the key.
And how much time does it take for any student, be it XYZ from background, to become a data analyst, as per your experience and knowledge? Yeah.
To be very honest, it will take you 1 year.
Yeah, that's what I was
You
saying.
want a really good job ना, मतलब अच्छी कंपनी में जॉब चाहिए, then you have to be patient. बस इतना होता है कि yes, you know your goal, you have to walk on to that. That's it. If you will go idhar udhar, then you'll just vanish, right?
Exactly.
You have to be in a similar same way, and by the time you will get a job, it's not a big deal. It's really not a big deal to get a job. But if you have the right skills, you will definitely get a job. It will take time, of course. We are not born with all these skills. We have to gain all these skills. So it will take time. For me, it took approximately 1.5 years, I can say, and I'm still learning.
Yeah.
It's like it's uh, it's my daily routine to learn everything. It's my daily routine to read this SQL code. It's my routine to read this Python code. I have to revise Power BI. If I'll stop learning, if I'll stop revising, it will all just go.
Vanish away.
So it's necessary to learn. It's necessary to study daily, like regularly with consistency, and with time you will definitely get a good job.
Actually, one more question I have. How difficult is for a non-tech people to cope up with this syllabus? Let's talk about, let's hear from you all.
Yeah,
How
so-
difficult is for a non-tech people?
To be very honest, it will be difficult. I am not here to, like, to say everything good. So it will be difficult, of course, because for a non-technical person, right? I didn't even know what is SQL. I didn't even know the full form of SQL. So Anand sir told me everything. So I was that basic. If I'll rate myself, then I would be negative. So it's that difficult. But yes, if you'll work, if you'll study consistently, it took me time, but I took patience. I'm still patient. So yeah, it will be difficult, of course, but अच्छे से करोगे तो it will definitely be the best thing for you.
And guys, Drishti will also be a mentor for you all, those who are enrolling in the new batch. Okay, you have a lot of mentor. The beauty of here data analytics courses, you have a lot of mentor here. किसी से भी बात कर लो, phone कर लो, connect कर लो WhatsApp में. Your doubt will get resolved. You don't have like a typical XYZ issue where you have to create a support ticket for your doubt. No, it won't work instantly. We have a WhatsApp group. We have 10 to 12 WhatsApp group. We have a dedicated WhatsApp group. Right? So instant your doubt will get resolved. Hardly half an hour or 1 hour ऐसा हो सकता है.
Yes.
Right? So all those things are there.
There are many 500,000 people in our group. Whenever you post a query, you will instantly get reply from any of the person who is online. We'll never ignore any of the question. You just have to text. You just have to give us your query, and you will get it solved by us.
Okay, Drishti, thanks a lot. Now we have Shruti joining us. Yeah. Okay. Thanks, Drishti. Yeah. So we have another member who was a part of Job Guarantee Program. I still remember when I spoke to Shruti for the first time, I told her, just trust the process. And she really did a fantabulous job. Let's hear it out, guys, from her itself directly. Yeah. Over to you,
Thank
Shruti.
you, Anand. Thank you so much. Hello, everyone. So I joined this batch in August. I still remember the first day when I had a talk with sir, and it was really great. I was really too much motivated in the first call as well, and I was self-assured that I'll one day I'll get a job and I'll do really great. So it was a very nice experience, and I learned a lot. All the mentors are really very supporting here, and not only the mentors, the group, the people in the group, the people in the batches, all the students are really supporting, and it was really a nice experience for me to learn all these courses that you provided us in one go, in one batch.
How
So it
much
was
time,
really
Shruti,
nice.
being a experience, she was an IT folk, but still, how much time, Shruti, did it take for you in order to do the
Like,
I think 8 months?
Yeah, so
Almost.
it took me around 6 7 months.
Imagine, guys, she is an experienced person from IT folks. She was having a career gap. Still, it took her 8 months. So
Yeah.
if you are from a non-tech background, you can imagine. That's what the reason, Shruti, I was telling him. 1 year leke chalo. At least
Yes.
minimum, it's a 1 year program.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
8 months will syllabus get over, and then it is a one year program. You
Yes.
have to, you need that patience.
Right. It is very important. It is very important to have patience, because the competition in the market is so much, like everyone is into it. So you have to be very competitive, and then only you have to outstand everyone, and then only you can get a good job. That's the thing.
Now I have next question one in mind. Many institute XYZ, they don't teach ETL tool, and these days
Yes.
majority of job we see
Yes.
ETL thing. How did you take on this? What are
Yes.
your intake on this?
Yeah. So this ETL, especially Matillion, that that you taught us, it is really, I would recommend this to everyone, because in your experience, like even if you are a data scientist, you have an experience of an ETL tool, it counts. For me also, it counted when I said in my experience in my interview, when I said, they were really impressed. In many interviews which I gave, people were not aware. The interviewers were not aware about Matillion. So they were curious to
Exactly.
know what Matillion is. And this has happened. This is the fact. This has happened to me. So they wanted to know what this Matillion is. So I explained them what projects, what we did in the class, the projects, and what are the interfaces, how Matillion and the importance of Matillion. So this was the thing. And it really was very helpful for me. It added a
Okay.
point, I would say.
Good to know. Last question I have for you before I wrap up with you. On an average, how much time do any person have to give it? Consider it in general, be it technical, non-technical, on an everyday basis in order to complete this course in the right time, 8 months, and within a year. Suppose anyone wants to go on a fast track. I want my job to the next 8 months, 9 months down the line. So what is the daily schedule? How people should keep a track of all this? Minimum hours, how much do you recommend? In order to once people enroll in this course, they have to devote. Yeah.
Like because I was not working, so it depends if you're working or not. If you're working, then obviously you won't get that much of time, but still you have to devote 2 hours for it, I would
Yeah.
say.
Mm-hmm.
But at least minimum 2 hours. But if you are not working, if you are a fresher, then I would say devote the whole day. That will be the best for you, because you don't have anything else to do. So
Exactly.
yeah.
Even when we were employed, we used to study 10-15 hours down the line. Then
Yeah,
they can finish this course, I think, then 6 months, 5 to 6 months ideally. Yes.
yeah, definitely,
So
definitely.
it just depends the number of hours they are dedicating on an everyday basis.
Right, right. Because
Okay.
every day in the market there are new things, the technology it will improve and new things will come. So you have to be very updated. That's what
Exactly.
the interview wants. How much updated you are. So
Okay.
that's when your gap can be covered.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now I have the final question. Last piece of advice you want to give it to all the viewers, those who are hearing you out. Yeah.
Just focus on whatever sir you're teaching, whatever your content is. That is more than sufficient, I would say, to crack any interview in the market. That's what I would say. Don't go for all the materials that is there on the internet. Your content is enough to crack any interview, and just be consistent. That's what I
That's
would
that's
say.
that's the most
Because
important thing.
yeah, because there are so many skills that you have to learn and learn and practice as well. So just be consistent. That's all.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot, Shruti. Thanks for your time.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay. Bye. Yeah. So you heard it out from one of the fresher, Drishti, and then one of the experienced food. I think 2-3 more people are there down the line. Let's come back to the course, and I want to talk about this entire course. Let me show you a short video before proceeding further. Just have a look. And then I'll come back to this. Sure. I'll talk about the syllabus also, but I wanted to show you one thing. Yes. So this video talks about how the entire course, we are right now on WhatsApp also. If you save my number, you'll find the entire catalog which is available on the WhatsApp, right? And you will also find how the WhatsApp you can buy straight from the WhatsApp, or how with the help of app and website you can enroll into this course, and the different interface it talks about. Syllabus I'll talk about at the end. Let's see this video once, and then if you have any doubt, feel free to know me. So that's what all about the app and the website, how the interface looks, how you can enroll in these courses right from the app. Now, let me take you straight through first of all, straight through the website. So this is the website, ANALYTICSWITHANAND.in. Now, I want all of you next 15 minutes ultra attention. And any doubt, if you are in any part of this from here down the line, feel free to shoot your question in the chat. I'm really happy to take that. Now, this is the entire course, Analytics with Anand. Go back to the home tab. Even if you type on the Google, Analytics with Anand, it will tell you. Even if you do a spelling mistake, doesn't matter, right? Analytics with Anand, the first tab, which you open it directly, it will talk you. Go to the tab called courses. Here you will find this entire course. Now, the two main course which we are launching here, the two main course which we are launching is here is one, this, and another one is this. This is the last batch, okay? So you don't have to enroll in this. Job Data Analytics Job Guarantee Program version 2 and Master Data Analytics version 3. What is the fee difference and how the course syllabus is distributed, that I'm going to talk about soon down the line. First, let's see both the courses. Okay, let's see both the courses. So this is the courses of your Master Data Analytics Job Guarantee Program version 2.0. Why it is coming 45,609? I'll tell you. There's a money back guarantee which is enabled. This is a 15 days. In the 15 days, if you are not happy with the course, entire money you can take it back. But I won't recommend you to do this, right? Because you are here to land a job, not to take your money back. So just uncheck this. Just remove this, okay? In your course, by default, money back guarantee is there. I'll tell you why. Now, I am giving extra 10% off today. I am giving extra 10% off today till midnight. Only till midnight. After this, it won't be there. Only till midnight. And you can get this course in 36,000. Let me tell you, this 36,000, if you don't get a job, your 20,000 is straight refundable. Getting my point? Your 20,000 is straight refundable. Your 20,000 is straight refundable. Right? Out of your 20K, 20K is straight refundable. Why I am keeping it this 15K then? Because without job guarantee program, course fee is 15,749. That's the reason. Now you got my point. 36,000 if you pay till midnight. This is valid only till 11:59 p.m. From today, you have to give this entire 40,000 rupees. Okay. So this out of 36,000, if you pay, your 20K is refundable post your course get over in 8 months. Then your grace period of 6 months will start. Say, for example, you are joining today, 1st May. Your course get over, say, for example, I'm just giving a tentative date, November. Then after November plus 6 month time is there. Till May 2025. Sorry, May 2026. Till that, if I'm not able to get you placed, you take this 20,000 rupees. Directly give me a call, I'll return back straight away. No question asked. Why I'm keeping this 15,000? Because 15,000 is the fee without job guarantee program. Let me show you that also. So what is the difference? There is no difference in any syllabus. Difference lies in this job guarantee program, because I have to pay to consultant, to companies. There's a big contract which is happening at the back end side. For that, money is being charged. Then the another program which we have, same thing which we have, which I was talking about, is here, this one, Master Data Analytics version 3.0. So what is the difference between job guarantee version 2 and Master Data Analytics version 3? There is ideally no difference. Right? There is ideally no difference. So Master Data Analytics version 3.0 will cost you 15,739 rupees. 15,739. Same syllabus, which I'm gonna discuss it. Same syllabus, same tenure, everything. You will get guidance also from my side. But I'm not here guaranteeing you. This is for those who comes from technical background. They are from a Java developer. They are some XYZ developer. They have an experience of IT industry. They're already in the job. Then why do you need a job guarantee program? You don't need a job guarantee program, right? Just take this course, learn, attend all the live session, and reach out to LinkedIn, reach out to Naukri. Automatically, you'll get a job. You don't need a job guarantee program. Here, entire your 20,000 gets saved. That's the reason this 20,000, I keep it refundable for my job guarantee program, right? Job guarantee program. I'm coming to Sneha. Duration of this course. Duration of this course is 8 months. I'm coming. I'll talk about in the syllabus. Duration of this course is 8 months. Now, if you have a technical background, since I am giving you access to last 2 batches, you can go on a fast track. Right? The beauty of this course is this course gets customized as per your understanding, as per your experience. If I am from a technical background, if I am good with SQL, Python, I know the basics, I know in and out, just I need on a fast track. Go ahead, you can complete this course in then 4 months if you are a full-time. But you can only complete this course 4 months given you have to study 8 to 10 hours every day. 8 to 10 hours every day. Then only you can do this. 8 to 10 hours every day, then only you can do this. Again, I'm reiterating. This course is 8 months. This course is 8 months. So 1st May, say today is the course kickoff, 2025. Till when? Till when it will get over? June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January. Let's keep it. I'll wrap it up by December 31st. December 31st, 2025. After this, your 6+ month period will start. It's not like that Anand sir has completed the course and you are lagging in the module. No, it depends your date when you are completing the course. Once you completed the course, you will have an interview on Power BI. You will have an interview on every module which will be taken care by me. I will enhance your resume in and out. Your resume session will begin. Your LinkedIn profile, how ideally your LinkedIn profile should be, right? Highly professional, right? Highly professional, how LinkedIn profile it has to be. Everything will be taken care by me once you complete this course. In this 6 months, if I'm not able to provide you job, you take your 20K back. So hardly, I will teach you, I will mentor you, I will do your resume, I will do your LinkedIn, I will talk to you. If you want to talk to me on a daily basis or weekly basis, go ahead, you have my number. I will teach you. If I don't get placed, I will give you 20,000 rupees. Like, who can do this? It's an open challenge to the industry. Nobody can do this. The minimum job guarantee program, which the top edtech company has been charging today, is 1.5 lakhs rupees. And their syllabus sucks. It's a complete crap if you see this syllabus. Right? It's a complete crap if you see this syllabus. Minimum cost of a job guarantee program is 1.5 lakhs. Not only job guarantee program, if you want to enroll in any of the data engineering course, right, feel free to explore the tab. Everything is here. All the courses are there. If you want to master Azure, if you must to master ETL, entire ETL tool, DBT, Python, everything course is there. You can enroll in any of these courses. Everything is starting from the fresh. Right? Today was the kickoff. I'm explaining you that's the course. So we are starting from today onwards. Now, let's talk about the most important part. What is the time duration and how this class will happen? So class will happen, hear me out, every Saturday, Sunday. Class will happen every Saturday, Sunday. Right? Class will happen every Saturday, Sunday. Class will happen every Saturday, Sunday. Okay? Class will happen every Saturday, Sunday, and then class will happen every Saturday, Sunday from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. will be your SQL. Then again break. 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. will your Power BI. And 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. in the evening, you will have ETL tool. Right? These 3 classes. So 2 hours every session. So 6 hours Saturday, 6 hours Sunday. Bear with my handwriting. 6 hours Sunday. 6 hours Saturday, 6 hours Sunday. Every week, 12 hours. So imagine if you are missing 1 week session, you have to do this 12 hours. And trust me, just if you miss 1 lesson, it takes whole day to do this. Whole day to do this. Okay, so if you miss 1 week, it will take you 1 week. You are 1 week, 7 days behind in the course. If you miss 2 weeks, you are 2 weeks behind the course. So every Saturday, Sunday, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. is your SQL, 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. is your Power BI, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. ETL. And this will happen parallelly. You might be thinking, how I will understand everything? That's my responsibility, not yours. right? We will be starting this complete scratch, so don't worry. Everything will start from ABCD. You don't know XYZ of SQL, right? We'll start from that scratch. So every Saturday, Sunday, it will happen it. Now, let me show you the most important thing, which is the syllabus. That's the USP of this course. Let's talk about. So here comes the syllabus. Here comes the syllabus for both job guarantee and data analytics. So we start with Excel. Now, Excel is a self-paced course. Why a self-paced course? I say Excel we are not covering live. The reason Excel, because most of you are aware of Excel. So Excel is self-paced. You'll get enough time to do this. Self-paced. You have a recording, which you go through it. Any doubt, I'll discuss it. One module you have to do on your own. I will there to help you out. It's not like that you're doing it on own and you're lost in the ocean of this knowledge of data analytics. No, I'm there, right? If any of you are having a doubt, I'm there to help you out. Excel is self-paced. We will be starting what? We will be starting what? Because Excel is the mandatory one. Without Excel, you cannot do it, right? I'll show you the Excel content also, right? I'll show you the Excel content also. Let me log into my profile and I'll show it to you. So I'm here. Click on the login button. I'll feed the number. OTP will come 4-digit. You have to sign it up here. Let me see. OTP, yeah, came. Okay, yeah. So you logged in, create a profile, logged in. Now you see. I'll show you how the Excel module looks. How many videos are there in Excel and how you can do it. Okay, let me go to the content. Course content. I'm going to my previous course just to show you the Excel. Excel, yeah. So you have to do all these 16 videos. This is important. You have to go through all these 16 videos. This is self-paced. The reason I have kept Excel as a self-paced because I want you yourself to train. If you work in a company, if given a task, how you will approach to that problem. If given a problem, how you will approach that. I will guide you, no doubt. But this one, you have to do it on your own. Excel is self-paced. Parallelly, you'll be doing it. You will get enough time. Buffer time, I'll give it to you for this. Now, in the initial first week, what you have to do, the most important thing, in the initial first week, what you have to do, you have to go through certain document. You have to go to certain document. You have to read this document, which is very, very important. Why data analytics? What are the roadmap for data science job? What is data warehouse? All these things you have to go through this. What is cloud computing? Until and unless you understand this, you won't be able to start this course, right? You won't be able to start this course. Let me show you. You won't be able to start this course. Have a look. I'll show you. See this. Yes. Additional resource. These all document. You have to read it. This is very, very important, guys. You have to do this. Your entire 1 week. Sorry, my bad. So your entire 1 week will go into this. Your entire 1 week will go into this. Okay. Your entire 1 week will go into this. Got my point? Your entire 1 week will go into this. First of all, you have to read all about cloud computing. What is cloud? In order to understand this industry, then what are the different data types which is used in analytics industry? What are the ETL tools which Shruti was talking about? Right? What are the ETL tools and technologies which we need and how the SQL has evolved? What is Python? Why do we study Python? What is data warehousing? Right? All these things you have to read it. All these things you have to read it. So this will take time. Excel and these things you have to do it on your own. Once you read this, your mind will open. You will understand, right? You will understand the roadmap behind data analytics. What is data analytics industry and why? What is the roadmap further down the line in order to do this? See this roadmap for data science jobs. Okay, roadmap for data science job. This is what I was showing you, right? So this is how you have to read this. What is the roadmap? Why data science? First of all, data analytics is the career. After data analytics, data engineer comes. Then the data science comes so that you can decide your next 10 years down the line. You're getting my point? You can decide your 10 years down the line. Now, once you enroll in any of these courses, you don't have to do anything at all. You don't have to rely on any document, any textbook, any video, nothing. It's more than enough to crack it. Even if you do 80% of the course, you are enough to crack any of the data analytics job. I am giving you 100% guarantee you won't get rejected in the interview. That's my challenge. Because I will teach you that in depth, you won't get rejected in the interview. That's my challenge. Now, coming back to the syllabus, Excel was self-paced. All the topics is there, right? Even the AI part. Then we have the SQL. SQL, I will teach you both on MySQL and the Snowflake. You might be hearing my this YouTube playlist. If you have seen my YouTube playlist, you might have seen this. Let me showcase it to you quickly. This entire playlist which is there, I'll be teaching you everything from the scratch. Yes, this entire 45 videos, you need to do this. This is the entire SQL playlist. So I'm teaching on Snowflake and I'm also teaching on MySQL Workbench, which is required. Because if you get a chance to work in a startup company, they might not be using Snowflake, but these the majority of companies use a Snowflake. And XYZ Institute, they don't care about Snowflake. Without Snowflake, you cannot get a job. Trust me. So this entire 45 videos, imagine this entire 45 videos we will cover in the syllabus. So let me deep down into the syllabus. So we have this SQL, we have this entire Snowflake, which you see it here, everything, right? Then we have Power BI. We'll be discussing like Tableau is again self-paced. Tableau you don't have to do, guys. Out of Power BI and Tableau, Power BI is in great demand. You don't have to do Tableau. Tableau I have given the entire in-depth course, right? Tableau you do not have to aim for Power BI. Power BI is more in the industry. For Tableau, you need a lot of experience. Okay. So Power BI, only one you have to do, Power BI. Then Python. Python will be taken care by Apache. Okay. Then you have a Matillion, right? Matillion ETL tool, entire in depth. Then you have an Alteryx. Then you have Verscape Red, entire this data vault design, which we have not started from the previous batch. Then you have DBT, ETL tool. Then you have Fivetran, in depth, all of this. Then you have Azure. Then you have AWS and you have GCP statistics. Also, I'll bring it. Now, if you see all this syllabus, what are the mandatory one? You might be getting one question in your mind. Let me talk about what are the mandatory one. You don't have to do all of this. Don't worry. So mandatory one, first one, Excel. The second one, SQL. When I say SQL, I mean MySQL plus Snowflake. Third one, Python. Fourth one, ETL tool. Two you have to do, mandatory. Alteryx plus Matillion. And the next, fifth one, Power BI. And sixth one, I'll write here, basics of AWS. AWS, which is required for data analytics. That's it. So mandatory one are 6-1. These are mandatory. These are mandatory. And let me show you how much content, if any XYZ institute claim to make you data analyst in 3 months, why I will tell you physically it's not possible. Why I will tell you it's not possible. Let me show you. So these 6 are the mandatory ones. So note it down. SQL, MySQL and Snowflake both, Python, ETL tool, Alteryx and Matillion, Power BI, Excel is mandatory, then AWS, and once also statistics I have missed. But statistics basics is required. Not every company has this statistics basics, which I'll cover in this book. Statistics basic. Major one is this. Major one is this. This is the major. So 6 tools you need to master it. Right? Rest others throughout the course. If later on, if you join the company, you'll have the access, lifetime access, you'll be having this course. Lifetime access, you'll have this course. Okay, not only if you get a job now. Lifetime access, you'll have this course. Okay, so this entire 6-1 are the mandatory one. Entire 6-1 are the mandatory one. Now let me show you the content, then your mind will get puzzled up. How much is required in order to study all of this? Let me show you. My screen is visible, right? Let's see. Let me take back to your course. Your course is Job Guarantee Program here. Let's go to the content. See, already I'm giving you the previous batch. V1 entire 376 video. V1 is the previous batch. Your is the V2. If you see V2, V2 is blank because I have not kept it anything because it has not started. V1. Let's go back to the V1 and let's see how much video we have covered for SQL. See the cohort. How much video do you guys see? 23 lecture. Each lecture is of 2 hours. So 23 into 2, 46 hours. Just 46 hours for SQL. Just 46 hours for SQL, imagine. Just 46 hours for SQL. Guys, 46 hours for SQL. Imagine 46 hours for SQL. Imagine 46. That means even if I am doing 2 hours every day, 46 days for SQL. If you are extra smart, which is not possible, 46 days for SQL ideally, then let's come back to the next. Let's see next. Let's see Power BI. Power BI, how many recordings you are seeing it here? How many are there? 25. Right? Till end-to-end project is remaining. 25. 25 into 2, 50 hours. Just see. I'm giving you a basic mathematics. 50 hours. This was 46 hours. 50 hours for Power BI. Next, let's talk about Python, the real crux now. Let's talk about Python. I'm showing you the reality of the industry, how much it takes. Let's talk about Python. How much do you see? 37 lectures is required for Python. 37 into 2, 74 hours. 74 hours for Python. 74, 50, 46. Right. Let's see the next one. Let's see the next one. ETL, Matillion, ETL tool. Lot in demand in the industry. How many are there? 10 lecture. Right? 10 lecture. 10 into 2, 20 hours. Let's keep 20 hours for this. 20 hours for Matillion. Then you have Alteryx. Let's see about Alteryx. 11, 22 hours. 22 hours. 22 hours for Alteryx. MS Excel, let's count MS Excel also. MS Excel, you have 15 video, 30 hours. So count 30 plus 22, 52. 52 plus 46, 98. 98 plus 20. How much is that? 118. 118 plus 50, 178. 178 plus 74 is how much? Close to 250 hours. So how much is that? 250 days. Even if you do 1 hour daily. Now let's talk about, let's come to the ground reality. 250 hours, Anand. Okay? So 250 days. 250 days divided by 30. How much is that, guys? 8 months. Now, do you see? Why did I tell you? 8 months, how it will take? This is the reality if you spend 1 hour every day. Ideally, recommended is 2 hours. Got my point? I gave you the real mathematics. Why 8 months is required? Why 8 months is required? Okay? Why 8 months is required? This is the reason even Shruti has told you 1 year. Right? This is the reason Shruti has told you one year. It will take entire 8 months is the course. So these are the mandatory one. So that's the reason I'm telling you this is the entire syllabus which you need to master it, and it is an 8-month rigorous time period which you take it. Let me tell you the other thing also, how you can earn. If you refer, referral bonus which you won't get anywhere. Suppose you have taken a course in 40,000, you have referred one friend of yours. Straight 10% of any course at Analytics with Anand is yours. Is yours. So if your friend buys 4,000 rupees is yours. Either you take 4,000 or you give 4,000 to him, he will have a discount. Right? If you refer 2, you can earn 8K. If you refer 3, you will earn 12K. One of my students has earned 12K by referring 3. So this is the one. Learn, earn. And even if you don't able to get a job, take your money back. Everything is in your hand. You get a job, you get a mentorship, you get your resume, right? You get everything. Now let me show you how the contract happens and how the experience letter is being given. That's the most important thing. Let me show you that screen. Experience letter. Let me search here. 1 second. I'll stop my screen for a while. I have to look for experience letter. 1 second. Let me open quickly. Experience. So if anyone has any doubt, feel free to go ahead and ping me. Yes, 1 second. You can connect with me online also. Yeah, you can call me also. No issue. You have my number, you have my email ID, you have my phone number. Everything is there. So go ahead, and if you want to speak out to me, you can speak out to me. Let me show you the experience letter quickly. Yeah. It went. Just give me 1 minute. I'm opening it. Yeah. Here you go. Yes. Have a look. This is the letter which any XYZ institute will give you the certificate. They won't give you the experience letter. I'll give you. I'll give you. Have a look. Can you see this letter? Right? Is this letter visible? This is the letter how you will get. So even if you have a gap, even if you have gap in your career, I'll give you this letter. Take it, give it to the company, right? Because I'll train you that much. So this will really, really help you in landing a successful career in any company, which no other XYZ institute will give you. Now, this is only applicable for the job guarantee program, not for any data analytics version 3.0. Without job guarantee program, you won't get this letter. Certificate you will get. Course-related certificate you will get, but you won't get this letter. Okay? That's the beauty of this course. You get this letter down the line. That's what I was talking about. Okay? Now, let me show you the contract that which has happened. That also I'll show you. 1 second. How this works. Just give me 1 minute. We share that part also with you. Yeah. Sharing with one of my student. See this. I'll show you. Can you see my WhatsApp chat? This is the one. I'm being transparent with you. See? Right? Anand Learning Academy, my company, registered with them. So I have a contract. This is how the job guarantee program works. I'm showing you the real agreement. So this is the company. A big US based. How much follower they're having it? I'm showing you one, and there are plenty like this. So I cannot show all due to confidentiality, but I'm showing you one at least, just so that you have a trust. Okay? So I'm not throwing some light in the air. So this is how it works. Getting my point? Yeah, you can opt for no guarantee if you don't have that much. But yeah, Vivek has taken. Normal, because he was an IT employee. Yeah. If you don't have that much money, take that without job guarantee program. Later also you can take, guys, job guarantee program. You can take it on EMI also. EMI facility is there. Entire thing is in the payment. Integrated. Everything I have integrated. I'll show you. Everything is integrated here. If you go here in the course, go to the store, type here V3 or V2. I'll show you. Go here. So this coupon code is applicable only till tonight. So you'll get this. Remove this. Money back guarantee remove. Anyhow, by default, you have the money guarantee. 36,000. Click on buy now. So you have credit card, debit card, anywhere you can place it. Right? So you have this QR code. You can pay by UPI. You can pay by card. You can pay by EMI. From your banking side, you can pay on net banking, wallet, everything is integrated Razorpay. And you will get the instant bill also. Right? So this is how the bill will look. I'll show you. That also I'll show you. Okay. One student enroll in the last batch. So, and you'll get receipt also. Okay, let me show you the receipt part also. So this is how you can aim for. I'll show you the receipt also. My courses chat. Let me show you the receipt. How you'll get a receipt also. Everything is integrated in the app. You go to a website. You'll find all of these details. Okay. See this. One of my students, he has paid an EMI. He was a part of previous course. See this. This is how you'll get a bill. Right. He bought out an EMI. Installment number 3. See, he was a part of the first job guarantee program. He bought it on installment. So you are getting a free receipt. So you can buy it on EMI. You can buy it on one-shot payment. But offer is valid only till tonight. So do whatever best works for you. If you cannot afford job guarantee program, no worries. Syllabus is same. Take without job guarantee program. Later, after 3 months, also take it. But you have to pay the balance amount then. If at that time the fee increases to 45,000, balance amount you have to pay. So you can decide. Floor is open it for you all. Right? That's all I had for this job guarantee program. Let me know if you have any issue. See, Vivek has already commented. Anyone has any doubt? Sneha? Let me know. That's all from my side. I have nothing more left to talk about. So if you are stuck in your career, if you want to enter into the industry, data analytics is the best industry to go for. Minimum package easily you can aim for is 5 LPA. आराम से मिल जाता है. 5 LPA easily you can get it. Easily you can get it. Okay, easily you can get it 5 LPA. So that you can aim for. And that I'll make sure you will get it. Okay, guys. So this is all about job guarantee program, data analytics. Go through, install the app, ping me on WhatsApp if you want to talk to me. Reach out to me on LinkedIn. You have my number, you have my email ID. Everything is just type Analytics with Anand and you are there. Do subscribe to this channel. I also teach live here. Playlist, you can see it here. Also, whenever I get time, I come here and I teach live on the Snowflake part, especially on the data analytics skills and techniques. That's all from my side. Anyone has any doubt? Shoot your question and we are good to wrap up then. Anyone has any doubt from LinkedIn? People are also watching here. No doubt? Okay. Feel free to ping me on my WhatsApp number I've given you and I'll see you there. Bye, guys. Take care. Bye-bye and do subscribe to this channel and keep spreading the love, the support which you have showcased so far. In your family or friends, circulate this if they are looking to enter in the data analytics. This is the best course now in the current era which you should aim for, which everyone should aim for to enter into the data analytics. This is the future, right? Okay. Bye, guys. Take care. Good night. I'm signing off for now.